Adding a subtle, frosted design to a mirror is a simple decorating touch that anyone can do at home. All you need is Rust-Oleum frosted glass spray paint and some adhesive stencils. Here's how easy it is to do. First, gather a few materials. Next, clean the mirror to remove any dust, smudges, or fingerprints. To create your personalized look, apply a stencil to the mirror. Make sure to cover every part of the mirror that you don't want frosted. Before you begin spraying, be sure to protect the surrounding area with a drop cloth. Before painting, be sure to read all instructions on the can. Now you're ready. Shake the can well and apply one coat of the frosted glass spray paint. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and add a second coat. Be patient. It may take up to 10 minutes for the frosted effect to fully appear. Once you see the effect, you can continue to add one coat at a time if you'd like, depending on how frosted you want the final look to be. Wait a full 10 minutes for the finish to dry, and then remove all stencils and tape. That's it. Now step back and enjoy your creation.
Thank you for choosing Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.